All right, so Year 7, last lesson, we used the balancing method to work out how to solve an equation. Today I want to cover this backtracking method. I actually think the two are quite similar. But there's one little line I want you thinking about as you do these questions. And it is, what is the last thing that's been done to the left-hand side? So for example, with this first question here, where I've got 3y equals 18. There's only one thing that's been done to the left-hand side, and that is to multiply by 3. So if I am going to backtrack, I need to go and work out, well, if it's multiplied by 3, I reverse the process and I divide both sides by 3. Looks very similar. It's just that little bit of thinking I want in your mind. How do I backtrack? How do I get back so that I get y on its own? And in this case, y equals 6. For this second question, u minus 5 is equal to 7. The last thing that's been done to the left-hand side is to take 5 away. So if I'm going to backtrack, I need to reverse that process and I add 5 to both sides. So u will equal 12. In the same way with the last one, k divided by 7 is equal to 2. All right? The last thing that has been done to this k is to divide it by 7. So I multiply by 7. And so k equals 14. So the backtracking method, I expect, very similar to the balancing. Notice I've still kept it balanced, but what I've added is that little thought process. What was the last thing done? And if I think about that process, then I can backtrack to get the letter, the variable on its own, is what I'm aiming for. The best way to do it though is to get in and practice, so that's what we're going to do now.